I have little Q&A para sa inyo ha, just to practice. So I have 20 questions here. So please choose one each ha. Okay, unsang number?
4.
Number 4. Ready? Okay, ang pangutana. How do you deal with failures and criticisms? For example, sa school, nahagbong ka, tapos ingnon ka sa imong mga, ay, bugo. How do you deal with it?
It's my lesson to learn nga dapat i-prove nimo sila nga
Yes,
they're wrong.
they're wrong.
And you prove them na you can do it and you can achieve the honor or the high honor.
Yes, that's all. Thank you. Question.
13.
Number 13, your question. Do you feel you have an impact on the lives of people you come in contact with?
For most people, I do not think I have a large impact on them. But for some people, maybe I have, like people very close to me, my closest friends. But most people I come in contact with, I do not really change their lives in any ways.
Not yet, for now. You're still young.
Maybe.
Last, let's invite our friends to watch and, of course, to vote for you.
Hi everyone, we are encouraging you all to watch the Coronation Night on March 1, 2024, 7 p.m. at Dumaguete City Gym, i-kmjs grounds.
And we're encouraging everyone to support us for the People's Choice Awards by going to our pictures and putting heart and like react, care react, whatever that is. Just click the links down below and you'll be sent to the pictures immediately.
See you!
Thank you.